So now we will see how we can swap two numbers without using the third variable. So guys, let us move to VS Code over here, and simply we are going to create a new file under the programs folder in this case. So as you can see, we have this swap without variable.js file over here. Now guys, how do we swap two numbers? So basically, let us say we have the first number, that is a, it is equal to 5 in this case, and let us say another number, that is b, it is equal to 7 right now. So before swapping, we have the values of these two numbers. Let us print the values of these two numbers over here. So we say before swapping, we say, and then we have this colon, and a, it is equal to, simply we can use the dollar symbol followed by open and close curly braces, inside which we are going to provide the variable, that is a over here, and then we will also print the b variable in this case. So b, it is equal to dollar symbol, inside the curly braces we have the b over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal by using the node command followed by the name of the JavaScript file in this case. So as you can see, before swapping, we have a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7. Now guys, we need to swap two numbers in such a way that after swapping, the value for a should be 7, which should come from the b variable, and the value of b must be 5, which should come from a variable over here. So in JavaScript, we have a very simple destructuring methodology. So in JavaScript, we have a very simple destructuring method in order to swap the two variables. So in this case, simply we provide open and close square brackets over here, and a comma b inside these brackets, it is equal to, again inside the square brackets we will provide b comma a over here. So guys, simply what exactly is happening in this case is the value of b will be assigned to the first variable, that is a, and the value of the second variable over here on the right hand side will be assigned to the second variable, that is b, on the left hand side over here. And then after that, if you simply provide the same console.log statement over here after the destructuring operator, simply we will say after swapping in this case, and we are not changing the position of a and b over here. Let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal. So as you can see, we have before swapping a is 5 and b is 7, but after swapping we have a is 7 and b is 5. So guys, in this way, simply by using one line of code, you can swap the two variables. Now guys, this is only possible as far as JavaScript is concerned. So in case you are asked to swap the two numbers in JavaScript without using the third variable, then you can use this destructuring operator. Now guys, apart from this, if you are giving the interview for other programming language such as C, C++ or Java, so what we can do is simply we can carry out certain steps in order to swap the two numbers. So guys, over here, first of all, what you have to do is you need to provide a, it is equal to a plus b over here. So guys, what we are doing is we are finding the sum of these two numbers. So in this case, what will happen is the value of a, it is equal to 5 over here, and the value of b, it is equal to 7. So we are doing 5 plus 7, it is equal to 12 right now. So the value of a will be 12 in this case after executing this line of code. Now guys, after this, what we want to do is we need to find the value of b, it is equal to, we need to take the value of a, that is 12 right now, and we need to subtract the value of b from this value of a, that is 12, and then we need to subtract the value of b from this a value. So over here we will do a minus b. So guys, what exactly will happen over here is the value of a is 12 currently. So over here 12 minus the value of b is 7 right now. So 12 minus 7 should give us the value of 5 over here. So the initial value of a was 5. Now we are getting that value of 5 and storing it inside the b variable over here after executing this line of code. And then guys, we need to get the value of b, that is 7, into the value of a, which is 12 right now. So what we can do is a again, it is equal to a minus b once again. So what will happen over here is the value of a is 12 right now, and then minus the value of b was 5 after executing this line of code. So 12 minus 5 will give us 7 over here. So in this way, we have stored the value of 5 in the b variable and the value of 7 over here in the a variable, and that is what we wanted after swapping the two numbers, and we are not using any other third variable over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again on the terminal. So as you can see, we have before swapping it is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7, and after swapping we have a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 5, and that is how we are successfully able to swap the two numbers without without actually using the third variable. So either you can use this algorithm, that is 3 steps, in order to swap the two numbers without using the third variable in any programming language, or you can use destructuring in JavaScript in order to swap the two numbers. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to talk about how to find the largest number among 3 numbers in JavaScript. So stay tuned.